I think one of the key reasons why data hygiene is important is to identify a single version of the truth, a single individual. Often what happens is a call centre will set up a new record when they're taking an order, or a salesperson won't follow process and check that a record's already set up. So they'll go into the database, they'll set up a record, and that individual may purchase from you or may not. The issue is very often that actually that person's already in the database, and so you now have two apparent individuals who are actually one person. So then when you start sending your marketing campaigns out, you're now sending duplicate campaigns to the same individual, which looks really bad, costs you money, costs you direct money, costs you indirect money, and of course it's really bad for your brand. It shows that you are not cleaning your data. So you could be targeting one person, you could be targeting two people. In some instances we've seen data sets where you may have the same individual, would you believe, 5 to 10 times in the database. Now the cost that creates for you as an organisation over a year of communicating with them becomes really expensive. So the absolute key thing here is to make sure you've got the right person once in the database.